Hi, Babalo. Okay, so yesterday I asked you to prepare word number 1, number 2, and number 3. Photograph, phone, and trophy. So let us go and put those words in sentences. Okay, sentence number 1. I, my. Dad, dad. Keeps, keeps. Photograph, photograph. Off, me. On. His, office. Desk. My dad keeps a photograph of me on his office desk. Number 2. My phone is flat because I could not charge it during load shedding. My phone is flat because I could not charge it during load shedding. Number 3. I won a trophy because I got first place in the swimming race. I won a trophy because I got first place in the swimming race. So those are your sentences for photograph, phone, and trophy. Before you get to your sentences, you can now carry on with word number 4, number 5, and number 6. And then tomorrow, we will put these 3 in their own sentences. So, ant, elephant, phonics,